Murise Sisimele Murise inindiri right indiri mukadzane 46 years. I'm based in South Africa. I have one child and I work here in South Africa. I have a stable job and I'm HIV positive. I'm looking for a man that is also HIV positive from the age of 46 or slightly below me, that might be 45 upwards, who is also financially stable. And the other thing, ndiri kutsvaga murume anofarira mhuri, murume ari respectful, murume ari kutsvagawo a life partner as I'm looking for one. I'm not actually looking for a marriage, but I just want someone I can spend the rest of my life, someone whom I can call a darling at the end of the day. Me, I'm a natural person. I don't do makeup. What you see is what you get. I'm a simple person that is very respectful, very spiritual. Okay, and the location of this man can be here in South Africa, can be in Zimbabwe, can be in Botswana, can be in Nigeria, can be in Swaziland, can be in Germany, as long as we can maintain long distance relationship, as long as we are able to visit each other. But I would prefer a local person, because long distance sometimes it's few people who can manage long distance. Saka Sisimeli, I'm looking forward to get someone I can call a darling at the end of the day. Thank you so much for your program.